Thanks for tuning in, everybody. This is Brian916 and welcome back to the channel. So today I got two broken items right here that I'm going to warranty out. This one's a 15-inch adjustable wrench that I bought off the Snap-on truck. It's a Blue Point. And I broke this tool this summer doing some suspension work on my Tahoe. Actually, it's been broke for a while, but I always just sort of put it back together and finally finished that thing off. But I've had this tool probably since maybe 05, 06. So I've had it for quite a while. I'm going to warranty this one out. Also, this GearWrench, the handle broke off, and also the gears are slipping. So this ratchet's junk. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm going to warranty both of these out from two completely different companies, this one's going to Snap-on, this one's going to Apex Tools, GearWrench. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send the warranty in at the same exact time, and who will actually get the item sent out to me the fastest. So let's jump over to my computer. Let's get both of these items submitted, both claims submitted, and then we'll see who gets back to me first. Okay, so first up we got the Snap-on warranty claim request, and as you can see, I made this request November 16th, and so I just basically wrote to the customer care center, I would like to request a replacement for the following item: one 15-inch adjustable wrench, Blue Point, part number GAJ15, and then the description was I put the adjustable wrench knurl, jaw, and retaining pin won't stay in place, I believe due to strip threads in the wrench body. Tool was purchased from mobile Snap-on dealer, aka Tool Truck. And then I blurted out my name, address, and phone number. As you can see, I got a picture. This is the picture of the broken wrench that I sent them here. So that's pretty standard with most warranty processes. That you want to send them the broken item or a picture of the broken item. So I got that submitted, and so now I'm going to head over to Apex Tools, aka GearWrench, and I'm going to submit a claim over there. Okay, so over here at GearWrench, it's pretty simple. You just fill out the information that they ask you for, and so as you can see, I'm here putting in my info. Okay, so I got all the information filled out correctly and submitted. Also sent them a picture of the broken item with the part number, etc. And so now all I need to do is wait and see which company is going to get back to me first. So not long after I submitted my warranty claim, I got email confirmation back from GearWrench and Snap-on, same day, November 16th. So both companies pretty much emailed me back at the same time, letting me know that my claim was submitted. Okay guys, so both items have arrived. We do have a clear winner in this little experiment. Snap-on actually sent the item first, and I sent the request claims at the same time. So Snap-on won, but there are some pros and cons to dealing with each company, and we'll get into that. But yeah, Snap-on sent me the item first. So here it is. They sent another one. This is in fact a 15-inch Blue Point. Let me get this out the package. All right, so I got it out the package. As you can see, these are both 15-inch Blue Point adjustables. It looks like there is a bit of a change though from when I bought this back in 2005. I also have a Williams 15-inch adjustable, and you can see this one, it says Taiwan on here, and then on the original that I bought back in 05 has Spain on it. And this Blue Point doesn't have nothing on there, which means most likely it was manufactured in China. I believe it was. You could check on the website. They don't hide it. It says it on the website that this one was manufactured in China. I noticed all their Chinese-made tools will never have "made in China" on it. But if it was made in the USA, it will have "made in USA." This one's made in Spain, it will have that on there. And this one's made in Taiwan, it have Taiwan on there. But I noticed anything that's made in China never has the "made in China" on it. So anyway, moving on to the ratchet. And when I get the ratchet out, let's talk a little bit about some of the pros and cons. All right, so the GearWrench actually came 3 days after the Snap-on came. Actually 2 days. I was at work when it came, and I didn't realize it had came yet. But yeah, it had came. So it came 2 days after the Snap-on. So here's the differences that I noticed when warrantying from both of these companies. With the Snap-on, I noticed that it's not easy to figure out how to actually warranty the tool. Yes, you can warranty the tool and the information is out there, but it's not easy to find. You sort of have to know how. Someone's going to have to give you some type of information on how to actually warranty this out online. It's not as straightforward as Apex Tools with the GearWrench. So that's one con to warrantying from Snap-on, where it's a lot easier. Just go to the website, click on warranty, submit the warranty. So that's a pro on the Apex Tools side, whereas that's a con on the Snap-on side. Now, a pro on the Snap-on side is that they got back to me relatively quick, and they actually did notify me and let me know that they accept the warranty and they have another one being shipped out. Whereas on the GearWrench side, they never told me if they accepted the warranty, if I had another one coming or anything. It just showed up after I submitted the warranty. I had no idea that I was even going to get another ratchet, whereas I knew I was getting another wrench. So that's a con on that side. Now, a pro on the Snap-on side was you can upload a pretty large file because you email them personally, whereas this is done through the website and the picture has to be a certain file size. So you can't take a really high quality in-depth picture. It's going to have to be a low quality picture because it's a very a small file size. I want to say like 3 megabytes or something like that. So I wasn't able to send a picture from my cell phone because the resolution was too high apparently and the file size was too big. So that was a con there. So there was definitely pros and cons. However, both companies did warranty out the products pretty much. No questions asked for the most part, just your basic information. Send a picture, brief description on what the tool is, part number, etc., and send the information. So in my opinion, if I had to go Snap-on or GearWrench, which one was the better experience, I gotta say Snap-on in this case was the better experience because I knew that I was actually getting a tool and that it was accepted. I didn't even know I was getting a tool. It just showed up. I didn't know it came because I wasn't looking for it, and I was at work when it came anyway, so I didn't know that it was even here. I just opened this package. I thought it was something for my kids or my wife, but it was my wrench. Whereas this, I knew it was coming, so when the box came, I knew. So, but anyway, both experiences were great because I got the warranty and that's all that matters. But I'm going to have to give it to Snap-on this one. I will say though, Snap-on can improve on making it a little more transparent on how to actually find the information or find the email to warranty them. So what I'm going to do is I'll leave a link in the description with the email to get a hold of their team that handles warrantying out broken items. So anyway, Snap-on on this experiment. This is Brian 916. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one.